A recent no-heat call led us to a furnace where one burner was producing a weak, orange flame. This indicated restricted gas flow at the orifice. After removing the burner for inspection, we found the cause: a spider web lodged inside the orifice opening. Even a small obstruction like this is enough to disrupt proper gas delivery, resulting in poor ignition and reduced heating performance. Once the orifice and burner tube were cleaned, the burner returned to a stable, blue flame, and the system operated normally. This is a common issue in equipment that sits unused during the warmer months and reinforces the value of regular maintenance before the heating season.
We are Canada's only winner of Lennox Circle of Excellence.
Thank you for calling First Air.